You know, I always want to give kids choice. If I say it's time to get out of the tub and you can see that they're starting to not listen or they're starting to get agitated or they're starting to throw their little duckies around, I want to give them choice. And I might say, I know bath time is over. It's hard when good fun comes to an end, but we need to drain the tub now. Can you pull the plug on your own or do I need to do it for you? Anytime you give a child choice, you are giving them agency and control. And these kids are very sensitive to that. Now they're going to keep throwing duckies at you or whatever. I would just reach in and I would pull the drain. I'd say, oh, it looks like you'd like me to pull the drain. But I might say, we need to get out. Can you get out on your own or do you need some help with that? And then I would grab a big towel so that they're not slippery. I'd say, that's okay, I can help you. I know it's hard when fun comes to an end, but I'm looking forward to story time. So you don't wait for the answer, they answer with their behavior. And now they're starting to get all upset and whatever. And I know maybe things are going to get splashy in the bathtub or whatever, but it's more important that you make this a teachable moment, even if it's inconvenient. And I would just keep plowing forward with what needs to happen, even though they're upset about it. Using distraction, engagement, empowerment. And I'm not making a big moral judgment on the fact that they were upset that the bath came to an end.